Charmaine here with EliteBook Inc. and today I'm going to show you how to import your digital planner and stickers into your favorite digital planning apps. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my top choice, which is GoodNotes 6. I think this app has the best user experience and some really great features. But you're more than welcome to use whichever app you would like. Most of the steps should be the same across any notation app. First, you want to make sure that you have GoodNotes installed. You can get it in the App Store, and you want to make sure that you have the latest version. GoodNotes 6 is the most recent release. It was recently updated at the time that I'm recording this video. However, if you're still using GoodNotes 5, the steps should be the same. So next, what we're going to do to get started is use the Safari app. That's the little app right here. It looks like a compass, and we're going to open up Etsy.com. We're using Safari to open up Etsy's website because as of now, the Etsy app doesn't allow you to download your digital purchases through the app. So you're going to go ahead and log into your Etsy account. Once you're all logged in, you should see your account image in the top right corner. So you're going to go ahead and click that. And then a drop down menu up here where you select purchases. Then that's going to take you to your purchases. You should have a list of all of your purchases here. In this area, we're going to focus on the digital planner that I have right here. And you're going to click download files. Next is going to take you to downloads, and then you're going to click download. Once you click on download, it's going to open a receipt from my shop, and here it's just explaining that unfortunately Etsy only allows us to sell files under 20 megabytes. Digital planner and stickers are much larger than this. So you're gonna go down here and click to access your download. Once you click that, it's going to open up the files in Dropbox, and you should see two items here. You should see your planner or stickers. And then for the planner downloads, I also have a thank you and instructions form. It's just basically giving you the instructions on how to download the files and upload them into GoodNotes. So to download your planner, you're going to hover over your zip file, and then you're going to click on where it says download. Then a pop-up box will appear and you're going to click download there. If you take a look in the upper right hand corner, you will see a circle with an arrow in it pointing down. That's going to be your downloaded files, and underneath that you can see a progress bar. So once the progress bar has been completed, you're going to click on the down arrow. It's going to have a drop down menu for you, and then you will see the item that you have downloaded. You're going to select that, and after you select that, as you can see, there is a zip file in your downloads folder in your files, and you're going to select that, and it's going to open up a folder to where you can access your download. And once that's finished loading, you're going to open the folder. And as you can see here, for the digital planner, I always have a GoodNotes file and a folder with the PDF version. The PDF version is what you would use if you're not using GoodNotes, or if you would like, you can still upload the PDF version into GoodNotes. The PDF versions will also have the hyperlinked pages as well. Alright, we're going to go ahead and upload our GoodNotes zip file into GoodNotes. So what you want to do is hit select. You're going to pick the GoodNotes file that you want to upload. You're going to click share, and then you're going to select open in GoodNotes. Then you should see a pop-up in GoodNotes that says import new document. You're going to select that. And as you can see, your file has been uploaded into GoodNotes. Now, the other way to import any PDF file or GoodNotes file into GoodNotes is to come over where it says new. You're going to select that and then click on import. Then you're going to go to your file where you have saved your download. You're going to click on the GoodNotes zip file or PDF file and click open, and it's importing the document, and there you have it. Your item has been uploaded into GoodNotes. Okay, and just to show you that the steps work the same for your stickers, I'm going to go ahead and click on New, Import. I'm going to go to where I have my stickers saved in my files. I'm going to click on the GoodNotes file. I'm going to select Open. It's importing. And there you have it. The file has been uploaded into GoodNotes. So that's how you import your digital planner and stickers into a digital planning app. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.